a factor of production. We launch AI's Indus week at a defining moment in human history. Nations no longer compete on commodities. They compete today on ideas, talent, data, and technology. Artificial intelligence is no longer a niche technology. It is a bigger disruptor and opportunity than invention of electricity and internet. Pakistan's engagement with technology did not begin with AI. It began over 2 decades ago under the leadership of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, under his Vision 2010, when Pakistan made its first structured shift towards the knowledge economy. Pakistan developed its first national IT policy, laying the foundation of the software and IT-enabled services sector. A landmark initiative was launched to train over 10,000 PhDs in science, technology, IT, creating a critical mass of high-end human capital. National Database Organization, now NADRA, was established. This was Pakistan's first decisive move from managing scarcity to investing in intelligence. That foundation was later revived when we came back in government in 2013 under Vision 25, which addressed a deeper constraint that talent alone is not enough. Systems connectivity and institutions matter. Pakistan launched its first national digital policy, formally recognizing digital infrastructure, data and platforms as national assets. 3G and 4G licenses were issued in 2014, triggering a connectivity revolution that expanded digital access, inclusion, and innovation at a scale. At the same time, under Vision 2025 deliberately prepared Pakistan for the fourth industrial revolution. National centers of excellence were established in 2017 when not too many people spoke of AI in frontier domains that underpin Industrial Revolution 4.0. National Center for Artificial Intelligence, National Center for Cyber Security, National Center for Big Data, Cloud Computing, National Center for Automation and Robotics, National Center for GIS and Space Technology, National Center for Applied Mathematics. These centers were designed as building blocks, linking universities with industry, translating research into applications, and developing indigenous technological capability. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time, Pakistan began assembling an ecosystem where data algorithms, compute capacity, and skilled human capital could converge under a national framework. However, technological transformation demands policy continuity. Unfortunately, the political change of 2018 disrupted this momentum. Institutional focus weakened, coordination fragmented, and the transition from capacity building to industrial deployment remained incomplete. In the digital economy, lost time is not neutral, it carries a real opportunity cost. Recognizing this gap, after the formation of PDM government under the leadership of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, Ministry of Planning took a deliberate corrective step. We established a national task force on artificial intelligence because AI could no longer be treated as a peripheral or experimental domain. The task force brought together federal and provincial governments, academia and research institutions, industry, startups and practitioners, policy, legal and regulatory experts, and different ministries of the government. Its mandate was clear: to move Pakistan from fragmented initiatives to a coherent national AI framework aligned with development priorities. The work of this task force directly supported the Ministry of Information Technology under the leadership of Minister Shaza Khaja in formulation of Pakistan's first national artificial intelligence policy. This was an important institutional correction. With the AI policy in place, Udan Pakistan government's development program provides execution architecture to translate intent into outcomes. Udan Pakistan is not another vision document. It is a call to the nation to now win Marka-e Taraqi after winning the Marka-e Haq. It is an economic transformation framework focused on productivity, exports and competitiveness to turn Pakistan into a $1 trillion economy by 2035 by building strong foundations of a techno-economy driven by artificial intelligence. This year, we are setting up new national centers, National Center for Quantum Computing, National Center for New Manufacturing, National Center for Nanotechnology, and a Quantum Valley project, which will be a model of holistic innovation ecosystem with 4 specialized science parks in emerging technologies, mines and minerals, agri-tech, and biosciences. Ladies and gentlemen, from Vision 2010 to 25 and now to Udan Pakistan, the direction has been consistent to move Pakistan from consumption to creation, from regulation to intelligence, and from potential to performance. Ladies and gentlemen, we are determined to align our vision with execution, technology with ethics, ambition with inclusion. Indus AI is a call to action and our pledge that Pakistan will not merely adapt to AI age or fintech, blockchain, cyber security era. Pakistan will shape it and lead it. Inshallah, Pakistan Zindabad.